Ever find yourself overwhelmed with home improvement tasks? From a leaky pipe to a broken dishwasher, and don't know where to start? Introducing FixxAI, your free AI co-pilot for all things home improvement. Whether you're dealing with small repairs or considering a full home renovation, FixxAI is here to provide expert advice. Just type in your question, or even use voice commands. Our advanced voice chat feature offers lifelike interactions, making it feel like you're talking to a human expert.
Start by checking the power supply, making sure it's connected properly. Next, check for any clogs in the drain hose or filters and clean them if necessary.
FixxAI is a web and phone app. Just visit our website and you're ready to tackle any home improvement project. Ready to make home improvement a breeze? Visit FixxAI.com today and meet your new AI co-pilot for a hassle-free home.